Welcome to Word Work, where we put words to work, word by word. In this video, you will learn some commonly used words. You will see that learning to read and write is easy if you follow these steps. Look at the shape of each word. Listen how to say each word. Learn how to spell each word. Let's get started. New, new. Since, since. Ever, ever. Peace, peace. Told, told. To learn the sounds of the letters in the alphabet, click the link in the description for my alphabet videos. Now let's use each word in a sentence. He knew the answer to the question. He knew the answer to the question. I knew he would send me a text. I knew he would send me a text. We have been friends since we met. We have been friends since we met. It has been 1 month since we spoke. It has been 1 month since we spoke. This is the best book I have ever read. This is the best book I have ever read. This is the worst flu season ever. This is the worst flu season ever. I had a piece of beef for lunch. I had a piece of beef for lunch. She found the missing piece. She found the missing piece. He told me about his childhood.